Hello, student, and hello, friends. I think you are well. Okay, by the way, uh, today I'm going to speak in English. I mean, I am a learner. I am learning speaking English. I see most of the students and most of the guys are trying to uh, learn speaking English. So I am also trying to the best of my ability. I am trying from last couple of days, and still I am unable to speak correctly and clearly. Sometimes I stuck in somewhere. Sometimes while I speak, the right word doesn't come to my mind, so I stuck. Mm, I think you are better in speaking English, so please let me know how to increase my learning speaking English, and also learning speaking English correctly and clearly. Sometimes I watch YouTube videos which are related to speaking English, and I am learning from YouTube. Actually, I am not a YouTuber till now. I am only learning speaking English. I don't know whether I can speak English fluently or not, but I think I maybe speak English correctly after some years. And guys, please help me and let me know how to increase my speaking English. I mean, how to speak English correctly. So you are my mm, mentor, just like a teacher. So please teach me. Please make me learn how to speak correctly and clearly. On YouTube, I follow Aditya Rana. His channel is called Spoken English Guru, and I also follow Elena Roy. She is a good speaker in English. Her English speeches are really very clear, and she speaks correctly. And I also sometimes hear the speech of Mrs. Sumita Rai from Impact Foundation. Impact Foundation. Yes, yes. So I am also trying. Let's see how many days it will take to speak correctly and clearly to me. So I would not quit this effort I will continue my effort. I mean speaking English, learning speaking English. This is my effort and I will not quit it. I will try to continue this effort. I will not let it go. So guys, for today's this much only. I will be back in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Thank you everybody.